Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, dear friends. How are you? I hope you will be good. Are you ready for taking a new lesson? But before starting the lesson, make a happy face like this. Hurry up. Good. Okay. Today we will learn a new letter which name is G. G. This is capital G and this is small g. And its phonic is G. 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 It has two phonics, G and J. Okay? G and J. First of all, we will learn G sound words. Ready now? Look at this one and this one. What are these? Grapes. Green grapes, red grapes, purple grapes. Grapes are very sweet and delicious fruit. Grapes begins with phonic G. G grapes. G grapes, G grapes. Okay. Next friend is, look at this. What is it? It is a glasses. Glasses. Glasses begins with phonic G. G glasses. G glasses. Okay. Next friend is, this is a guitar. Guitar begins with phonic G. G guitar. G guitar. Okay. Next friend. This is a beautiful and intelligent girl. Girl. Girl begins with phonic G. G girl. G girl. Okay. Next, what is it? Glue stick. And this one is glue. Glue. Glue stick. Glue stick. Glue. Glue stick and glue begins with phonic G. G. Glue stick. G. Glue. Do you have it? And do you use it? Okay. Look at this. This is an animal. It is very useful animal. Its name is goat. We eat meat of goat and drink milk of goat also. Goat begins with phonic G. G goat. G goat. Look at this. This is a garden. There are some flowers, tree and birds also. This is a beautiful garden. Garden becomes with phonic G. G garden. G garden. Okay. Look at this. This is a small insect. Its name is grasshopper. Grasshopper. Grasshopper becomes with phonic G. G grasshopper. G grasshopper. Okay. Next is, what is it? It is a glove. Glove. Gloves become with phonic G. G glove. G glove. Okay. What is it? Do you know? This is a garlic. It is a vegetable. Garlic becomes with phonic G. G garlic. Garlic. Okay. Next, what is it? What is the color of this paint? And which color is this? Green paint, green colors. Green becomes with phonic g. Green. Green. Green paint, green colors. I have also some leaves of green colors. Green leaves. Green leaves. Green. Green. Okay. I have some friends of second sound. Giraffe. Giraffe. And what is it? This is a ginger. Ginger becomes with phonic ginger. Ginger. Okay, I have a request to you. Please look at your surroundings and find more examples of letter G. Okay, and at the end of the lesson, do lots of clapping. Thank you. Jazakallah. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section.